my channel, y'all. I only did my face, but you know, that's how it goes when you only have eyeshadow and no paint. So this video was inspired by the great Neytiri from the Avatar movie. If you remember that movie from a couple years back, I love that movie. I feel like I was in the whole virtual world. So why not show tribute? I'm not Neytiri, but I'm her sister Shantasia, so you know it works. Hopefully you like this video. Stay tuned to see how I created it, and let's go. Use like a bright one when I'm about to paint my whole face with eyeshadow, because you know the brighter the whatever you use to set wherever you put in the eyeshadow, the more pigmented the eyeshadow comes up. I'm going to use 330 Toffee, which is clearly not my color at all, but it's gonna come together. Just wait, just you wait.
Hold your horses, hold the horses, okay? Hold them.
I need my hair out my face. It annoys me when my hair's all in my face. But next thing we're gonna do is gonna take your Take Me to Brazil palette, and you're gonna take like a big blush brush like this. You see I already have blue on it, but I'm gonna take a bright blue, which is the one that's right here, and I'm gonna place that all over my face. Okay, y'all, so now that that is done, I am going to place dots all over my face, just like Neytiri, but I'm trying to go for like her sister type thing instead of her. She had white dots, so I'm going to use a blue. Okay, y'all, so we are down to the nitty gritty. We're almost done. First thing you wanted to do was gonna put concealer all over your eyelid, and then you're gonna take a blending brush and take this bright color, this bright baby right here, and you place it all up under your brow bone. Now after you do that, it's time to cut your first crease, which is the dark blue one, and I used a dark concealer because it's a dark color, and you know, same thing, light with the light, dark with the dark. Y'all, my lips are dumb dry, but I usually handle that at the last part. Y'all know I have extra lips up until the end, so ignore it. But I want to tell you, like, after you cut your crease with the darker concealer, I want you to bring it down and kind of like pat on it, because you want it to be dry before you try to apply eyeshadow. If you don't, it's gonna mess up, so do what I said, okay? So the same shade that you used for your eyebrows and your stripes, you're gonna use the exact same shade to cut this crease. It's the same exact colors, nothing different. You're just making a cut crease on your eye, nothing major. And you're gonna wipe that excess stuff off your actual lid, because you don't want to pack too much on it, then it will start creasing and it's gonna look a mess.
Anytime I'm doing nothing, my phone is crickets. There's crickets coming from it like it's an infestation inside my phone. But then when I'm recording, everybody and their mama got something to say. Everybody wants to say Shantasia this, Shan that. Like,
you're gonna take now a bright concealer, and I'm using, y'all know I use Fair Clair by Maybelline. It's number 10, and you're gonna cut a crease and go from there. Now this part is optional, because I don't know if they even sell this eyeliner anymore, or if you can find a substitute, cool, because I actually like having this part in my eye. It is the Revlon Skinny liquid liner, and it's in the color electric blue. You're just gonna make a line like you did over here. And that's just really simple. Really, you could use any of these bright blues because I'm honestly not sure which one I use. I'm gonna use this one to be on the safe side. Just pack it all over the rest part of your lid, because you're just gonna put glitter on top of it anyway. It's just to have a good base coat. I'm just gonna take a brush like this, simple, real simple. Have it flat in so that way you could get up under that crease really good without messing it up. And just apply glitter primer all over the place and then go back with glitter. That's it. Okay, so now the last thing that you're gonna do is make your little wing. So you're gonna take the Maybelline concealer again, or just a darker concealer because you're putting that dark blue right there. Put a little bit on your hand just like as before, and you're just gonna map out a wing. And after you do that, you're just gonna put the dark blue up there and then line the top of it with the electric blue, and you're just gonna make it one big wing with just several cut creases in it. Take a small blending brush and you're gonna add this purple that's right here, and just to add it like above the crease, just to blend it out some more. You're gonna take the blending brush that you use for the very bright blue, and I use this one, and you're just gonna take this blue and blend it out. Place your lashes on, and the lashes that I used in this video are my Fancy Falsies, and these lashes are very special to me because it's the first time I'm ever actually having a paid PR, and these are so beautiful. They are very lightweight, but these are called Bombshell. Really does not feel like I have on lashes right now, and I wear my fair share of lashes, from the smallest ones to the biggest ones, but these are the first lashes that I ever had that felt so light. And I'm going to also leave my coupon code in the description box, so make sure you read the description box because you could get 10% off of these lashes, or if you buy something else from them, you could get 10% off as well. So also, they have lashes that are strictly vegan. You won't have to worry about wearing something that's not necessarily fit for you and your lifestyle. Okay guys, so the only thing that I did off camera was line the bottom of my eye with royal blue glitter. It came from the same Amazon set that I've always had. It's kind of dirty, so you can't really see the true color, but all I did was just take some glitter primer again and just put some glitter up under my eye to make it pop a little more. We are down to the nitty mother loving gritty. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take my Fearless Faces. This is the shade Fairy Dust. It is beautiful actually, and I'm just gonna place it all in like the blue parts of my face just to highlight it a little more and give myself some pop, you know. It's a lip cream, and it's NYX Cosmic Metals, the purple in the center or whatever. But this is how it looks. It comes in, and I'm gonna try to add it to my lips and see what happens. This is, by the way, the Vivid Liquid Matte. Now the last thing you're gonna do is spray your face with setting spray, and you're done. You have your cute little Halloween look to do. This is something that you could do on a budget, because I'm clearly on a budget. I didn't even get face paint, but it came out okay. So hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's do this before I tell you to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna tell you again, so hold on one second.
Okay, so this is the final product. I hope that you guys love this video as much as I love creating this look. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I hope that you love this video as much as I love creating it. Please share, comment, and if you recreate this, please, by all means, show me pictures because I would love to see it. Love you lots. Mwah. Infinity and beyond. You already know. And bye.